Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you're hearing my voice or wherever you are hearing me from. Okay, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, do well to smash that subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss other important videos from me. Who the Zuzu, where there is God, everything is possible. I just want to teach you how you can use mirror to draw money. Life at director, you can use mirror to draw money, love, job. Okay, so how you can use mirror to manifest money, and that is what today's video is all about. And don't forget, if you find this video helpful, do well to like this video so that the universe will make this work for you. It worked perfectly. I make a video on this mirror stuff of a thing, but this was not the type of mirror I made. A lot of people gave me testimony on it, so this one I see what to teach you so that I can put a smile on your face. So if you just see this video, you are not seeing this video by mistake. The universe set you here to see this video. Congratulations, you find this video. Don't forget to like. Okay guys, what you will need for this, you are going to need a mirror. You are going to need a mirror for this. Okay, you are going to need a mirror for this. You are going to need a marker. You are going to need a marker. If you can get green marker, perfect. If you can get green marker, perfect. But if you cannot get green marker, you make use of this. Okay, which is the blue marker. Okay, the another thing you are going to need for this, you are going to need unzu, that is native chalk. Okay, you are going to need native chalk for this. Okay, so what do you do? First of all, before you start anything spell with this mirror I'm going to teach you, in order to set the world those witches, all those your village people, so that they will not come and turn what you want to do against you. So firstly, you will have to put salt inside water. Now once you have put the salt inside water, then you get a rag, anything, or handkerchief or white handkerchief. Then you 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 put it inside that water. You say salt and evil has nothing in common. Then you take the rag, use it to wipe the face, clean the face of the mirror you want to use. Then the next thing you are going to do, you are going to write 875 is the first thing you are going to write on top here, on top of your mirror. Like this, your mirror, on top of the mirror, you are going to write your 875 here. Okay, you write your 875 here, exactly. So you write your 875 here. So I will write 875. So you write your 875. Okay, you write your 875 here. After writing your 875, then if it is morning now, you want to draw, you want to use this mirror to draw, you are going to write money, like money 3 times, money 5 times, money 7 times, but it has to be a number that cannot be divided by 2. So I'm going to write money, then I'm going to write money again, add money. Okay, now you can see this. Okay, the mirror is all kind of turned upside down. You have money. Okay, after you have written money, then the next thing you are going to write is your name. So if your name is Abel, then I'll write Abel under in the mirror. Okay, so I write EBEL. Okay, so I'll write Abel in the middle here. Okay, so after writing your Abel, then the next thing to do to show that you want positivity from this, you are going to need the native chalk, uzu. So you got your native chalk, you place your mirror like this. Okay, get your native chalk, place your mirror, sorry. Then you kind of use your finger to get the powder on top of it. Okay, money shall be mine, money shall be mine, money shall be mine. Money flow to me freely, easily, and effortlessly. Money comes to me freely, easily, and effortlessly. Money comes to me freely, easily, and effortlessly. Money comes to me from east, west, north, and south. Money flow to me unlimitedly. So as you are putting the native chalk, you'll be saying all those words. So you put the native chalk to cover this writing. Then after you have done that, okay, remember, if it is love you want to use this to find, you are going to, instead of money, you are going to write love. Okay, now this 875, the first number I asked you to write, that's the 875, which is the first number you have to write. Now you might ask, why 875? 875 is a number in the spiritual realm that signifies money, abundant wealth. So it is a number that is being used spiritually to draw money from the spiritual realm. Like my house, before I came to my new house, my renting before I came to my house, It will come there. For those of you that have come to my house before, you see I have written anywhere you see 875, 875. Like if I should wake up in the morning, like my fan that was there, you see 875. My bedroom, if you should enter my bedroom, you see 875. Anywhere you are, anywhere I'm coming to the house, I will see 875. So if you can also write 875 everywhere you are, even if you have a wallet, you write it on the paper or write on your wallet 875. So by the time you are seeing, you know that yes, this number is an abundant. So by the time you are seeing that number 875, so you are subconsciously attracting money to yourself. It works. It works. Like if you want to make a budget, like maybe you want to make a budget, like maybe okay, I want to be making 1 billion naira every month, for example, or I want to be making 1 million naira every month, for example. So we are going to write 875. You will now write order it. After writing the 875, then you will now write order it. I am not, I will. You put it in the present tense, okay? Don't put it in the future tense, okay? You say I am making 1 million naira every month. I am making 1 million naira every month. I gave somebody this spell. He tried it. Okay. He after like 6 months, he noticed that money was actually coming. Like money was coming, was making up to 1 million naira a month. But he cannot even work out what he was doing with the money. So he kind of like tell me, see, this thing is working for me. But the thing is that I don't even know what I'm doing. I've calculated the money that is actually coming to my heart in a month is up to 1 million naira. But I don't know what I'm doing with it. I told you, how do you make it? He said, I wrote 875. I told him, write 875, then write what you want on that. So he said, but in the present tense. He said that he wrote 875, then he wrote, I am making 1 million naira every month. That was what he wrote on that. So, and I said, okay, this is what you are going to do. Repeat that 875. Then write, instead of you to change it, right? Most time, right? Whatever you have said to the universe is most time difficult to retrieve it. Whatever you have said out to the universe, right? It's most time very much difficult to retrieve it, but you can update it. Yes, most time whatever you have given out to the universe is most time difficult to retrieve it. So, but you can update it. So, if you have said that minus to the universe, you cannot retrieve that minus, but you can turn that minus to plus. It's just for you to put a bar, become plus. Okay. So I told him, okay, since you have written, I am making 1 million naira every month. Now write it there. I am making 1 million and saving 1 million every month. Right? I am saving 1 million. So update it to I am saving 1 million every month. So since you said, because you said you are making, not say you are saving. So it's a two different things. So you now go and change it to I am saving 1 million naira. 875. I am saving 1 million every month. And that happens. And guess what? He is not even in this country now. So those are simple ways you can use to communicate with the universe. Okay? Now, after you have written that 875, if it is money you want, you repeat money 3 times. If it is love, you repeat love 3 times. If it is job, you repeat the job 3 times. If it is visa you are looking for, so you repeat visa 3 times. Then you write your name on that. So after you have put the native chalk on top like this, okay, then you hold the mirror, okay, then you look at the you stare on the 875. While staring on the 875, you place the mirror. You place the mirror in the sense that the 875 will be on this position of your fair hair like this. You keep looking at it, the 875, while see yourself inside. You now say, I am, I am, I am. By the time you are saying I am, you are using that I am to calm your mind so that you can silence every other voice that is coming to your head. Take a deep breath. I am. You can breathe in through your nose. You breathe out through your mouth. I am. I am. Money flow to me freely, easily, and effortlessly. I'm an abundant. I am wealthy. I am rich. I am saving to so amount of money every month. I'm saving millions of naira every month. Money come to me freely, easily, and effortlessly. And anything I start and I finish it on time. And all the projects I have on ground, I'm finishing them on time. I'm a powerful being. I am a powerful spirit. So you make that prayer on it, depending on what you wrote here and what you are using it to. So you are keeping making that prayer, staring at yourself in the mirror. You'll notice some energy instantly. As As you are doing this, right, you notice some energy instantly. So when you are done making that prayer, remember the native chalk is still there. And meanwhile, in order to make this more active, depending on how your spirit is, because I don't know how active your spirit is. So another thing you are going to need for this is that before you start making these prayers, try as much as you can to put 7 seeds of alligator pepper in your mouth. You put 7 seeds of alligator pepper. See, the funniest thing, if somebody is give you something that is much valuable, something that works to you free, you take it for granted. But assuming this I'm teaching you now, I ask you to pay millions of naira for it. You take it serious, and you see it works. Because see, anything I post something for you, don't just say, this thing, do it and forget about it, and the result must come. The result of whatever you get will come to you depending on your state spiritually, depending on how your life is spiritually. Somebody can do it today, within a week, 7 days, you will see the result. Another person within a month, another person will have to take 6 months. It all depends on how you are now correctly spiritually. So not just joke with anything I'll give you. And please, for those of you that are coming to my WhatsApp group to give me testimony, instead of you to come to my WhatsApp group to give testimony of what I post on YouTube, post it on the comment section so that other people will get to see that those things are actually working. Okay, so that's it. So put every seed of alligator prayer. So you're making the prayer. When you're done making the prayer, then you blow the spit on the mirror. Then keep the mirror where you can be able to see it anytime you wake up in the morning and when you are going to bed at night. Okay, so keep it in a place that you, anytime you wake up in the morning, you can easily see it, and once you go to bed at night, you can also see it. By the time you do this, believe me, that you seek for will be given to you. It works perfectly. See, there's this creative energy God have deposited in man that work perfectly. Just like the way God have created the sperm that you use to create children. So also there's this positive energy God have created in you that you can use to get whatever you want. But the thing is that the question is that most people don't really know how to what. Most people don't even know how to get it, like how to make use of it. That is what I'm teaching you. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't just watch and go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And then if you don't understand, ask question in the comment section. And if you want to join my free WhatsApp group, let me know. There's the class I'm bringing up. Okay, I'm out to there's a program I'm about to run. There's a class I want to run, how to become a powerful human being. Okay, how to become a powerful human being. So if you want to be part of that class, also let me know in the comment section. The class is going to run for 1 month, and the time for the class is going to be 12 a.m. in the night, because another day I will not have time. Okay, but 12 a.m. Nigeria time, 12 a.m. midnight Nigeria time, that will be the time I'm going to run this class, and it's going to run for 1 month. So that I will teach you how you can be able to project and access the power God has deposited in you. Or every human being, there is a unique gift. See you guys in the next video.